Good morning. I'm Alex Khachatryan, president and co-founder of Reasoning Mind. One of the interesting things about our organization is that it presents a living case study for how an organization can do good and do well at the same time. This is an important question to address because many innovators in our space are faced with what I call the educator's dilemma. Isn't offering a product designed to appeal to the market? Or is it a reform that might not be immediately embraced by the market, but is good for the kids? Let's be honest with ourselves. More often than not, there's an inherent conflict between these two objectives. How do we resolve it? How an organization finds the right balance? Reasoning Mind was founded with a mission to teach kids math. That's what we're really passionate about. And we decided that to easier resolve the educator's dilemma, we set our project up as a philanthropic venture. So that's how we approached it at Reasoning Mind. We first looked at those essential requirements on the left side, and we immediately concluded that our program had to be offered at schools and be based on technology. The use of technology is extremely exciting and has a tremendous potential. That's why it is very tempting to search for technology-enabled panacea for solving teaching and learning problems. We, as an organization, believe that there is no panacea. Teaching and learning are hard work. With those essentials discussed, along with our system of beliefs, we came up with an idea of Reasoning Mind. Instead of looking for one-off solutions, we asked ourselves the question: what if we built a web-based system that can simulate some of the key elements of the most effective teaching? The interesting thing here is that we discovered that no one else actually tried to approach it that way, despite an obvious appeal. Taking something that's proven to work and replicating it using technology makes perfect sense. That's why we expected that our method will work, which has been confirmed in many evaluation studies. I'm going to present a couple of examples very briefly. A whole lot more of them can be found on our website. Reasoning Mind system is designed to deliver interactive, very, very colorful, very, very engaging, and very, very animated experience to students, which is often, quite often, is available for educational software. But targeting something that really simulates very effective teaching has not been done before. And that's what we believe we're a pioneer of. Here's a couple of examples I mentioned before. There are a couple of RCTs where you could see that students that used our program demonstrated times better performance on state standardized exams. In this school, the percentage of students that demonstrated mastery, true mastery of mathematics, grew steadily with every year of use of the program. In the Dallas Independent School District, in a large 14,000 student project, students that used the program the prescribed 2 hours a week grew 1.6 grade levels on ITBS in 1 year. And also the program enjoyed very good, about 90% acceptance rate among both students and teachers. So now let's look at some business aspects of the project. We're currently serving about 70,000 students in grades 2nd through 6th. If we look at financials, after about $40 million invested in this project, we are expected to break even in a year from now. Per student cost demonstrates a typical downward trend with scale. So overall, all economic indicators are very, very favorable. But let's take a closer look. It takes 14 years to break even. And why venture philanthropy when VC money is much easier and faster to get? And why is Reasoning Mind not yet in every school? That's because change is very difficult. There is a significant gap between what many schools expect and how implementing the program with fidelity to produce real results is. Bridging this gap requires hard work and slows growth. So what is our strategy? We decided that we're going to stay faithful to our mission and we target a niche market, school districts led by visionary school leaders that are prepared for a radical departure from doing business as usual and can become our partners. Wide adoption will follow once a critical mass is reached. Let's summarize. The bottom line is that organizations in our space can do good and do well at the same time. And venture philanthropic models present a very powerful vehicle to realize this strategy. Finally, these models present a very interesting opportunity for for-profit investments at a rapid growth phase. For everyone's benefits, students in the first place. Thank you very much. And I'm use a little bit of remaining time also for an addendum to share with you why we are presenting this program today to your attention. First of all, we are looking for those visionary school leaders. We are looking for school districts that will be interested in partnering with us. Second of all, we are open for partnerships with for-profit distribution arrangements or investment that will facilitate building such arrangements. And finally, we're growing very, very rapidly. We have many positions, about 40 positions open this summer. So we're looking for top talent. If you know anyone who is interested in working for a very forward-thinking organization, please send them our way. Thank you very much.